Ever dreamt of living in the City of Lights? Paris offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you mesmerized. Paris, the essence of all things French, is an incredible destination to take a TEFL course. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the meandering River Seine, the city dazzles with breathtaking landscapes and scenery. Paris is the most popular tourist destination in Europe, attracting people from all walks of life. The charm of Paris lies in its romance and warmth, exuded by the Parisian people. Discover Paris before, during, and after your TEFL course, with its impressive monuments and spellbinding lights. Home to countless cafes, bars, restaurants, and shopping districts, Paris offers endless entertainment. Our TEFL training center is located in the heart of the city, equipped with modern technology and materials. All our TEFL course trainers are experienced professionals dedicated to helping you start your teaching career. We offer a variety of accommodation options to suit different budgets and lifestyles. Our course fees are inclusive of lessons, materials, teaching practice, assessments, certificates, and lifetime job assistance. The Paris TEFL Training Center features large, modern classrooms with all the amenities you need. During teaching practice, you will teach a mix of local Parisians and visitors, perfect for honing your skills. Apply now and soon you could be experiencing life in the City of Lights with a TEFL course in Paris.